If you are learning a new language, one of the biggest challenges is finding native speakers to practice with. That's where Lingbe comes in. In this video, I will review Lingbe, its main features, pros and cons, and whether it's worth using in 2026. What is Lingbe? Lingbe is a language exchange app that connects language learners with native speakers through voice calls, and instead of chatting with bots or completing lessons, you can have real conversations with people around the world. The platform supports many languages, including English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Japanese, and more. Key features: instant voice calls. Lingbe's biggest feature is instant language practice. You can start a voice call and get connected with a native speaker within minutes. Language exchange system. The app uses a karma based system. You earn points by helping others learn your native language and spend those points when practicing your target language. Native speaker conversations. Unlike traditional language learning apps, Lingbe focuses on real life conversations, helping improve speaking confidence and listening skills. Community based learning. You become part of a global community of language learners and native speakers who help each other improve. Pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. Quick access to native speakers, excellent for improving speaking and listening skills, supports multiple languages, simple and easy to use interface, encourages active language practice rather than passive learning. Cons. Voice calls can feel intimidating for beginners. Call quality depends on internet connection and availability of users. Less useful for learning grammar or vocabulary from scratch. Some advanced features require premium plans. Who should use Lingbe? Lingbe is best for intermediate and advanced language learners, people preparing for travel or international work, anyone who wants real conversation practice with native speakers. It may not be ideal for complete beginners who need structured lessons and grammar explanations. Is Lingbe worth it? If your goal is to become more confident speaking a language, Lingbe is definitely worth trying. Its focus on real conversations make it different from many language learning apps that rely mainly on exercises and quizzes. However, it's best used alongside other learning resources rather than as your only language learning tool. Final verdict. Lingbe is a simple but effective platform for practicing languages with native speakers. It excels at conversation practice, offers quick connections with real people, and helps build speaking confidence. While it is not a complete language learning solution, it's a valuable tool for anyone looking to improve real-world communication skills. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and share your experience with Lingbe in the comments down below. Goodbye.